How's it going, good people? I wanted to share something with you that of my experience of 3.5mm headphone jacks with the 1/4 inch TRS, I think it is, which is these adapters. So that's a 1/4 inch adapter, headphone adapter. I think personally they're the worst things ever, because I've had countless adapters like this have the tips break off. The tips either broken off and not being plugged into anything, and just of recent I've had these very two tips here broken off inside units. This is one of the units, and that is my PreSonus recording desk, and I today removed two of them, one from this unit and one from my other interface, which is that one there, the Focusrite 2 input interface. I had something jammed in there, or a tip jammed in that as well. What I actually used was the Focusrite one. I used this little tool here, worked wonders, but tried not to be rough and dig too deep with it, and I managed to get one of these out with that. And the other idea I used, because there's not a lot of videos on YouTube with people removing the bigger ones, the 1/4 inch. There's a lot where they're removing the 3.5 ones stuck in devices like phones and stuff like that. So this was another thing I did, was I used a screw, and that was stuck inside this. What I did was, while that was stuck inside, I just got the screwed it in, and once it bit it and grabbed it, I was able to pull it out slowly like that. So it came out of this thing here, which I'd never ever thought I was going to be able to get into these. I tried to take my other interface, the 2-channel one, apart even to try and get into it, and I tell you, it was a very painful situation when you pull your headphones out and you're only pulling out these two things here, come out and leave that inside. That really pissed me off. But now I've got it all done and know how to get these things out. Just thought I'd share in case anyone else out there ever comes across that problem too. Also thought I'd just show you this. There are extraction tools, grip stick headphone plug extraction tool. You can get them online for $24, but when something happens straight away and you don't have time to buy it and wait for it to come in the mail, you might want to do something ASAP straight away. Those are the things that I used.